Want to deploy a Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud Platform in just a few minutes? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using Terraform. Let's get started. First, let's create a Terraform configuration file to define our Kubernetes cluster. Open your text editor and create a file named main.tf. In this file, we'll specify the necessary GCP resources. Here's a basic example. This configuration sets up a GKE cluster with 3 nodes using the E2 medium machine type. Now let's initialize Terraform. In your terminal, navigate to the directory where main.tf is saved and run. This command initializes the Terraform working directory and downloads the necessary provider plugins. Once initialized, apply the configuration to create your cluster. Terraform will show you an execution plan. Type yes to confirm and start the creation process. After a few minutes, your GKE cluster will be up and running. To manage your cluster, you'll need to configure kubectl to connect to it. Use the following command. Now you can run Kubernetes commands directly on your new cluster. And that's it. You've just deployed a Kubernetes cluster on GCP using Terraform in a matter of minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on Terraform and cloud automation. And if you're interested in more cloud computing tips, check out our previous video where we dive into clusters, grids, and cloud computing.